Nurse Jen, going to get adjusted. What's bothering you today?
Neck and back and hips.
Neck, back, hips. Neck, back, hips. It's kind of the old classic Jen Perlman, the old classic Nurse Jen scope. It's hanging left the whole time. Break up here on the left, C7, T1. And break between T8 and T9. Which one SI joint's been hurting a lot, right or left?
2 days ago was the left and now it's the right.
Is it higher or lower, the left or the right? Like where it hurts in the SI joint, it's higher or lower? The pain is probably here, and then here, or it's the opposite, where it's
Opposite.
like, so it's like
There.
here and there?
Yeah.
Is that you or me? Over here we can test quality of not just the shoulder girdle, protraction and retraction in the scapula, but actually spasm and tightness in the brachial plexus, which is going to be done for sure here on the right side. Is that correct?
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Yes.
Come on over here. You'll have to crawl up once we get you. Hashtag short people problems. This little guy, he's just the cutest little guy. Let your chin up. About the same thing. Let your arms relax. Good. Right here?
Yeah.
Good?
Uh-huh.
Go to your left side. Come here. Feet on the pads. Head over here. Let me really light. Is that okay?
Mm-hmm.
Head toward the wall. Good. Jen's like, thank God. Don't I know you, girl? Come on up. Your legs should not be crossed and your hands should not be interlaced with tension. You should know better. There. Pretty good. That's okay. You adjusted your husband's. You feel it?